So I'm pranking Aaron. I've been telling him for a little bit that we're gonna try a new line of apparel, and it is a prank. I got like a bunch of stuff that is completely random, and we'll see how he reacts.
Okay guys, so Chloe has a box for me. Let's see what it is.
Okay, so I put a lot of work into this. We did a lot of research into what people like.
Okay, I'm scared.
It's gonna be awesome.
Are we sure?
It's gonna be like brighter than our usual stuff because that's what people like.
Do people like brighter? Leave it in the comments below right now if you like it brighter. Every shirt I wear is black.
I know. And so Cody and I have been working on this, and I'm really excited. I hope you like it.
Okay, let's see. What if I just... Are you opening it or am I?
No, you are.
What? You're right. This is the brightest thing I've ever seen in my whole of existence. Okay, sweet. So we got a hat, which has a bee, and it has some like what do you call it? Like maybe like trees.
It's like California style.
It's very California style. So if you are in California, you have to wear this. Oh my God, that is... You're joking.
No.
We're not going to a hunting range.
No, but this is not. People wanted neon.
No way.
No, for real. People really wanted neon.
Are the 80s back?
The 80s are back. Look at that.
No way.
Yeah. Do you love it?
Okay, it is pretty cool. It is the brightest, literal brightest thing I've ever seen in my whole of existence. So you did a survey and people said neon is in.
Yeah, neon is in right now.
Make it like a giant highlighter with red outlines.
Yeah, it's so cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna rock that, right?
I want to put it on and see what my wife has to say.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure she's gonna absolutely love it.
She'll say, wow, you'll never get hit by a car ever again.
I mean, that is a skateboarder problem that we're solving.
Do not skateboard in the street where you can get hit by a car. Please and thank you.
My eyes.
I know. Right? Right?
You can't even tell in there just how bright it is. I mean, it's really sick. Okay, here's the next one.
And what do we call this one?
That I haven't titled them yet. By
Hunter's
the time
Orange?
the video comes out. So that one solves the same problem.
Cornerstone. Okay, so this is like if you're a construction worker.
Yeah.
But you want to skate after 5.
Yeah, and you're
There's
doing
no
security.
way this is serious.
No, this is serious.
This is not serious.
This is serious.
The bees on the front and on the back. Like, it doesn't get more ridiculous than that.
I put so much work into this, Aaron.
You're a liar.
I'm serious.
You're lying.
This is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite.
I will actually wear this.
I know.
Ain't gonna
That's
lie.
because we're selling it. Cody and I put so much work into this.
Why are you laughing?
I'm just laughing because it's so.
I'm not gonna lie. This
cool.
this one is pretty sick.
I feel like
There's Medusa on the back and it has snake arms. Snake.
It's so cool.
It is very nice.
Right.
It is like a polyurethane, polyester, like a breathability. It's like straight out of Nike's next playbook.
I mean, I just feel like you would look great in that.
I love it. You think this is so funny.
It's just real. And then that one.
You can't even keep a straight face. I'm not. Why do you think it's so funny?
Because I'm such a bad liar.
This is Montana. This is back to the roots, back to Montana. Here we go. So legendary.
So cool.
So legendary.
Okay, this one, the extra.
I feel like this one is real.
Yeah, that one is real.
So all this stuff is fake. This is a joke. Now you're.
No, we're absolutely releasing this.
Okay, you can buy this right now at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Just sold out. You think it's funny, but actually there's some clothing companies that are way more ridiculous than this.
I mean,
And they do sell out.
Yeah, we're gonna.
So wait, so this is real. This is sick. This is Mind Control products. This is Andy Anderson. So good. Okay, so it's Mind Control? No way. That's not real.
And it comes with 3D glasses.
Really?
Yeah.
A 3D glasses Mind Control Andy Anderson hydrant.
That's right.
Okay, hold on. Let me
And
get this.
every one comes with 3D glasses.
Really? You get your own 3D glasses? But once you put them on, does it actually...
How's it look?
It looks cool.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
It does actually look cool.
Let me look at it with the 3D glasses. I mean,
It does look cool, right?
It does look cool.
It pops. Shout out Andy Anderson. You're the absolute best.
Watch this be our very best line.
Straight legend.
Okay, no, this one is real.
I can't tell like when it's real and when it's fake. So this
Which
one's real,
one's
yeah?
so far?
Is this one real?
It actually wasn't
No?
because of the 3D glasses
What?
thing.
This is sick.
But now I'm like
Why are
kind
we
of
not selling it with 3D glasses?
I'm liking all of it. This is turning against me.
Okay, so this one's actually
That one
real.
is actually real.
Okay, yeah, so then I get this. I feel the fabric is nice. Feels really nice.
Oh, wait.
And then I go, we're not making shorts. I'll tell you one thing we're not making is shorts. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna wear the living beep out of these.
I know, see?
Because right now I have this giant boot with my broken foot and I need shorts. These are sweatpants shorts.
Okay, and look at the back.
This
Or look at
material is
that.
nice though.
I know, and look how cool that looks.
Yeah, it does look cool. Braille skateboarding. Da-da-da-da.
This is turning into a prank on me because I'm kind of feeling it.
Yeah, feeling it. I'm feeling it. Braille skateboarding.
I really tried to keep it going, but you just didn't believe me right from the start.
Well, the second the orange one came, if it was just orange with a little B, I got it. But the second it had these stripes down the line, I was like, no, you done messed up, Robbie.
Oh gosh. Cody and I had so much fun on this.
I'm sure you did. Okay, I would definitely wear this as well.
Please.
To the water park.
Please.
To working out. I mean, that's pretty sick. It has the swirl and the bee in there.
I know.
Leave in the comments below if you'd fully rock this.
I mean, maybe we should actually. This is just really cool stuff.
I'm down. I'm in. Okay. Just by the instant feel of it. Okay. Braille space program. Should we get my wife in here and see this?
Yeah, we should get her a reaction. Be like, this is the new line, but you have to do it because I can't keep a straight face.
Whatever. You're already in there. Okay. Then tie-dye is hot right now.
I know.
I mean, so this should be real. I mean, look at that.
I mean, it's pretty.
I mean, it looks like you're like walking down the street and it's like, wow, that person got hit with the surface of the sun, the giant Braille bee, then went out into a molecular atmosphere. So which one of these are real?
None of them.
Literally none of them?
Okay.
So we have no new line? I thought, oh good, we're finally having a new line. When's the last time we put a new line out?
So no, I do have some new stuff coming up, but we didn't get to finalizing it
Give
yet.
me those t-shirts.
Okay.
There's never been a better time to get yourself a Never Give Up t-shirt. Now on sale. We're gonna have to remember to put these on sale.
Okay.
Never Give Up t-shirts on sale at brailleskateboarding.com. She punked me. I got it. Never Give Up on sale right now. Check it out, brailleskateboarding.com. These ones are so good. Or maybe they're too boring. Maybe like people actually just want the bright colors.
Right.
I like this shirt a lot. I like the color. I like how it turned out. Never give up. And the message, guys, the message. No matter what you're going through in life, no matter how hard it is, never give up.
This is a real one too.
Oh yeah, that's sick. And this hunter cap, you know, not bad.
I'm kind of feeling it.
Let's see if I can get my wife in here.
Okay.
Danny, come here real fast. How's this? Tie-dye?
I mean, I actually like that, kind of.
You like the tie-dye?
But this...
Here, come on in. Come on in.
How about this one? What do you think?
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
How about this one?
Look at that one.
Like the sleeves?
I don't think you should film this.
Why?
Wait, you like it though, don't you?
You don't like it?
I kind of like the tie-dye one, to be honest, but no, I don't know. I mean, I could see it being like, I don't know, it's very like...
What about these shorts?
I mean, those are cool. Those are really cool.
Shorts are in
It's
right
very 90s.
now.
Which is in. Look at this hat.
That, I actually like that hat.
You would wear it?
Actually, like all
It's
of
like
it.
ironic, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's like really tacky. But it's kind of cool.
Is it really tacky but kind of cool?
I like it, kind of.
Yeah.
Why not?
Look into the camera. Show the camera.
Where's this one? Oh.
Yeah, you're looking great.
You actually look pretty cute in that.
Yeah, it's actually, this is kind of cute, even though it's super tacky. There's like plants going through the V.
What about this?
No.
Annie,
You don't think I'd rock that?
we're doing brighter colors because all of our colors are dark.
It's summer.
You know?
Wait, is this serious?
Yeah.
Dead serious.
Oh.
And there's one that comes with 3D glasses.
Oh my god. Watch this one.
Yeah.
So
But how good is that? Come on.
I mean,
that looks like, I don't understand the point of that
because
one.
you're skateboarding on the streets and you don't want cars to.
In the construction zone.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It looks like a construction worker.
All right, well, we hope you guys get the new line, BrailleSkateboarding.com. You know what to do.
Like in a weird way though, they're kind of growing on me.
I know, like the yellow one is. I'm like, it's kind of growing on me.
That one I hate the most.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you hate
Kind
the
of
most?
Burns your eyes.
But
a
I
little bit.
actually kind of am into this one now. I don't know why.
I mean,
With like the fleur de lis, you know?
right.
Whatever it is. It's kind of, I want to see you in this, so that would be the next thing.
You want to see me in
That
that?
would be your thumbnail.
We should definitely just have you wear this. We should say nothing. Have you, and we post this video later, and just have you wear it and see if anyone comments on it.
But you gotta take your shirt off.
I mean, if you ask.
And then
Wait! Put the hat on!
This is it. This is definitely it.
No!
Through the shorts.
Going to the beach in Florida. Oh, you have the new Braille line. I can't put on the shorts.
Yes, you
It's
can.
too hard.
He has to take
I have
it
to
off.
do it.
Oh, I see. You can't.
That is so funny.
New apparel coming soon. We hope you enjoyed that video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need, everything you actually need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.